All right, you ready?
Yep.
Big mistake coming in. You guys know how we're always trying to make new colors. We always want to keep it fresh. And in the process, sometimes we make a color and it's a no-brainer. It goes straight to production. Some of them are kind of ones we want to put on the shelf. Maybe we want to hold them for a little while. We have a couple too many greens, a couple too many blues. Some of them we forget about for a while, like Purple Haze, for example. Once in a while, we'll mix a color and it's just an absolute fail. And then you have the legend of literally the worst, maybe the ugliest color that we've ever made, and that's color number 84. This is a while back. As soon as we made it, the face Gabe made told the whole story. It wasn't going to work. And we always joked together that maybe one day we should spray a whole car in color 84. And my friends, today is that day. Right here I have a gallon of 84. And right over here is the STI. Now I'm going to open this, and I'm going to show it to you. And then Gabe's going to help me try to describe it. What you have in here, as you're about to see, is, you've got a color shifting brown. Gabe, why did we make a color shifting brown?
Just because we could?
Well, just because you can doesn't mean you should. Learn that the hard way multiple times. We don't have any name for this color. It never got that far in the process. Let me show it to you on the old stick of truth that I don't have. I'm going to mix it up a little bit for you. And I don't think you're going to be able to see too much from the side angle here. But actually, let me show you the top. Because I do see a little something. So on the side, there's not much. But on the top, you got a little something. Side, not much. But the top, there's a little something. Here's the stick of truth. Okay, see, I remember this. There is some, what, green?
Purples.
Purples, and then you have that undertoning of that chocolate. Okay, if you had to name this color right now, what would you go with? Cappuccino Surprise?
Cocoa Crush.
Cocoa Crush? Okay, both options. If we even come close, for whatever reason, to bringing this gallon to production, which is a long shot, you guys are going to have to help us name it. So, there's not much else to say. What's going in here is going on top of here, and there's no turning back. Are you ready?
Sure.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. And the truth is, this is a color none of you guys were ever supposed to see. We really thought it was a failure, but we always talked about it and we wanted to spray a full car in it just for fun. So here is color 84 in all of its glory. And you know what to do. when you get a good look at it, leave a comment below, rate this color for me 1 through 5, and I want you to be honest. If you don't like it, you can tell me you don't like it. If you do like it, then help me out, because I wouldn't mind you guys suggesting some color names for it. And if enough of you guys like it, let me know. Is this something we should bring to production? If you want to change the color of your own wheels, your own emblems, or your own car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have a ton of different kits, and they are all do-it-yourself friendly. And by the way, we didn't seal this one in the satin top coat this time. We just let it be exactly the way that it came out of the gallon. I think that's just the right way to do it. Gabe and I had a ton of fun in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.